Hi everyone. In this video, today we'll be talking about a standard aluminum wheelchair with best reliability and style. So this is called BREEZY Style and it's from Sunrise Medical from the BREEZY group. So this chair is very versatile. So if you can see, this is one mode, another type is like this. So you can have any type of versatile option on this chair. This folds. If you wanted to cross fold, you can cross fold like this. It folds and it comes with 13.9 kg. It's light. So because it's made of aluminum and the tube comes with 25 mm diameter, so it's strong also. Having a weight capacity of 125 kg and it comes with the 5-year warranty, you can have a slim version of seating or rigid version of the seating. So you can change. Even you can have an adaptation to like headrest, and also you can have a reclining backrest. So if you want to recline, still does the work. Also, you can have a version where you can fold down the backrest. So you can have a one chair with having different versatile option. Even if sometime the patient or you like to have a leg elevation, then no worries, you can even elevate your leg rest and fix it any degree of angle. This comes with a different 3 types of armrest system. You can have removable or height adjustable. You can adjust the height. Also, you can have a flip back. So how exactly flip back? Let me show you. Even you can have flip back system. So this is one chair. We can have different version of it. It comes with a 3 color. One is green, the red, or even in the black.